Hey guys, Terry here, aka Lucrative Soldier. Thanks for checking out this video. I know it's been a while. You would have thought I had a gang of videos going on right now because of the whole shutdown, but I've been too busy. I've been just like busting out everything. So like big business has become custom built skateboard ramps. Who would have known? So I've been like off the chain with that kind of stuff. But today, this video is going to be about fixing motorcycle plastics because my daughter's quad got busted up plastics. So I figured during this time, we're gonna go ahead and take care of these types of things. So stay tuned and I'm going to tell you best way to do this, what you're gonna need, how much it's gonna cost, and give you a little demo. And I mean, to me, it seems pretty simple, straightforward. So I hope, everybody who decides to go this route, it's the same thing for you. I think it's straight up and it works quick, easy, cool. All right, so let's go. Okay, so first, you're gonna wanna go to your local Harbor Freight. This is probably the cheapest route and the quickest route, or you can order one. But I found this little plastic welding kit at Harbor Freight for a little under $20. If you don't have a Harbor Freight near you, you can, Google plastic welding kits and, they'll come up on Amazon, eBay, whatever. You can find them. Okay, so in your kit, you're gonna get everything you need. Comes with the iron, metal mesh, plastic, and a cleaning brush, and also the solder stand. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Back in my younger day, I used to customize sport bikes as my job. That's what I did. I owned a business where I customized them completely, whether it was, doing custom work on the plastics, but whatever it was complete mods, complete builds, complete custom paint jobs. That's what I did from the ground up. I don't know if this was around then or I just didn't know about it. So I used to do things the hard way. And when I say the hard way, I'm telling you, this right here makes life easy. It does wonders. And what I really like about this, from other ways I've had to do repairs and fixes, it's time consuming. You often have to wait for things to dry, etc., harden up, whatever. With this, it's almost instant. You get everything set in pretty quick, and there is a little cool down time. That you need to allow for it to cool down to, get some good hold. But other than that, it's pretty instant, and you'll see what I'm talking about when we get started. Okay, so here is my daughter's quad that is all busted up. You can see all of this is busted up. And you can see right here, I've already started. All that was busted up, and now it's good to go. This was all busted up. Now it's good to go. But for this video, I'll go ahead and get this going, get this all pieced together, and you'll see how quick and easy this is and how good it works. All right, so first we'll go ahead and flip it over. So I like to work from the bottom side, and if we need any reinforcements on the front, then we'll go ahead and go there after the bottom. All right, so you'll see, like, first part of why I like this so much too is all we got to do is get things lined up to start. And once you get that going, then it's easier. So we'll go ahead and get that sealed up, and that'll keep that together, and then we can work on these other pieces. So, all right, Get our supplies here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start here. So, cut out some of our metal mesh. We're gonna take this and put that right there. All right, let's make sure our iron is hot enough. All right, as you can see, it started melting and we're ready to go. So, okay, so I'm gonna start on this side. Go ahead and get this in there and then we'll hold the two pieces together. So you want to take your time, let it heat up, and you can see that the plastic is melting and the mesh is melting into the plastic. All right, so that's in there. We'll let it cool for a little bit and then we'll pull the pieces together and heat that up to that side so it sticks. Okay, so I'm sure it's cooled now. Let's go ahead and make the adjustments. There we go. All right. Hold it there and heat. There it goes. Let that mesh go into the plastic. Be careful, watch your hands. I can feel the heat. So I'm gonna let that cool off a little bit so I can move my thumb out the way and do the bottom portion. All right, see how quick that is? Let's go ahead and get down here. Do the same. Make sure it all lines up good. All right, so there you can see it's holding together, mesh is in there. Let's go ahead. I'll probably take another piece of wire mesh and do these parts right here down here just to kind of give it some extra strength. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and apply the plastic. So do like this, put it on there, melt it down, kind of break it off, and spread it. And spreads nice and easy like butter. If you can butter some toast, you should be able to do this. And if I should have told you this to start, but as you can see, there's quite a bit of smoke, so it's probably best if you do this wearing a respirator mask so you're not inhaling all these fumes. ahead and finish covering up the mesh down here. All right, so that's that. That's all done. Just let it cool. It's already, holding, as you can see. But you're gonna want it to cool to get its full strength. And once it cools, it's gonna be like new. And we'll go ahead and flip it over just so we can see what that section looks like on the other side. But you can see it's holding. All right. And there it is from this side. So, yeah, I will say structurally, that is good. All right. Okay, so structurally, that is where we fixed it, and it's good. It's not going anywhere. We'll still have to do all of this. Now, I'm not really worried about it. I will, as you can see, I will go over it on this side too, because I want to, that's just how I am. But, since this part is under the seat, there's really nothing that needs to be done. But because I am me, I will apply some of the rubber on this side to melt it together. You might not even need to apply the rubber. You might just be able to, iron over this and bring it back together and close it without the rubber. But adding the rubber make it probably a little better. That way you can go through and sand it down and when I'm sorry, I said rubber, but the plastic. So, once you add more plastic there, you can go back and sand it down and, get it perfect and be ready to shoot it with some paint. So that's how you're gonna wanna do it if you're gonna paint it. If you're not gonna paint it, or you don't have no paint experience, or don't wanna, spend the money to take it to somebody who could do it for you, then just get your crack sealed as best as you can to, seal all the gaps. So you have to look up close to see the damage or whatnot. So that's how you do it. It's definitely a lesson I wish I knew way back when I was doing this all the time, because, oh man, it used to be a pain doing it the way I used to do it. The old school way, I guess. Maybe it was just, I don't know, maybe I just wasn't on top of the game. But, there you go. I hope that was enough demo for you to get it together and realize what it takes to do some plastic welding to repair your motorcycle parts, your dirt bike, quad, street bike, whatever it is, even your car bumpers. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope it helped you guys out. Hope you don't have any problems. If you do, feel free to comment down below asking questions. If not, if you're interested in seeing some videos on doing the custom build, skate ramps, quarter pipes, half pipes, whatever it is, any DIYs, comment down below, let me know, and we'll work on a video for that. And sorry for the delays, but it's been hectic for me just with all this going on, and I don't know why, I just haven't had the camera going. So that's it, and I'll be having some Subi stuff coming up soon too. She's been resting, but you know, we've been trying to keep her coronavirus free and safe and clean. Anyway, you guys stay safe out there. Keep your social distancing and have fun best you can. All right, catch you guys next time. Thanks.